In this video, we are going to show you one of the most important, in our opinion, basic steps in Bachata Sensual. We're going to show you how to do it without a partner and how to do it with a partner. So, let's go!
Está tu corazón al dejarme. ¿Quién soy yo para negarte el perdón si es de corazón? Solo tengo algo que decirte, sonriéndote veía atrás. No pretendo saber qué hiciste y darte cuenta que yo era más. Y en cada noche me vi llorando, tú no llegabas.
Okay guys, so let's start first without a partner because we really need to do this movement without the partner and know how to do it before we do it with the partner. And afterwards, of course, we show you how to do it together. So, let's do it first showing this way and then we're gonna turn around. It's very important that we are doing our basic steps on the spot, okay? So we are changing our weight just like normally we would do it. So it's like 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. The difference is that we are now not doing steps anymore, so we are no longer raising our feet. We are doing everything on the spot, we are not traveling, and the feet are also not going up and down. So, without the hips, this would be like 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. So notice how the tap in 4 and 8 no longer exist as in a tap, but we are still respecting the timing. So, in addition to that, we need to change our height, okay? So, we need to go down, and on 3 and 4, we slowly go up, and then we go down again, and in 7, 8, we repeat. So, we go down in 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, up, and 5, 6, 7, up, 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I know it looks silly a little bit at the moment, but trust me, it's gonna make sense. Let's do it in the other point of view before we start with the hip movement, okay? So we are here and we go in 7, 8. 1, 2, up, down, down, up. And now it's time to start adding some hip movement. So we are doing an 8. So the sensual basic on the spot is doing an 8 with our hips. So guys, the first thing that we do is when we do our step on 1, we do the step with the left foot, but the hips stay in the right side, okay? Before we add any circles, we do 1. Then on 2, we change the weight to the right leg, and the hips go to the left in 2. On 3, the hips go to the right with our step in 3, going up. On 4, let's say at the moment we would be in a neutral position, and then we go 5. The hips on the left side, the step is the right one, okay? And then 6. Then on 7, we go up, and the 8 is neutral. Let's turn around so that you can do it with us. Let's go. In 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now it's time to start adding the circular motion, the 8, the 8 to our hips. So we're going to start adding a circular motion to our hips. So the first thing that our hips are doing, they are going from the neutral position, like from the middle of the hips to the back. So they're doing like a quarter circle. From here, they are going to the back in 1. And this is while we're doing our step. But first, before doing the step, let's show you just the hip. The hips would be from here, from the right hip to the back in 1. Then the left hip to the back in 2. The right one in 3. We would be going up, but right now it doesn't matter. And on 5 is the left hip 5, 6, 7. So like you notice, it's always the opposite hip, that the one that is moving when we are doing our steps. So it is time now to do it in our basic step in bachata, okay? So let's start right away. We go with the right and we do the step. In 1, notice how the hip is falling. So don't think of your hips as they are going up. They are not going up. It's the other hip that it's going down. It's always going down to the floor with our step. So here we do 1, then we change 2. On 3, we start going up while doing the circular motion in 3, tap, and then we repeat to the other side in 5, 6, 7, go in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's turn around, and then we do it with the partner. We go in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. One more time in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you want to take your Bachata Sensual skills to the next level?
We have an online program where we teach you step by step all the fundamental moves and techniques you need to know to master this dance.
If you want to know more information, make sure to check out the first link in the description. But now, let's continue with the video. Okay guys, so to do it with a partner, it should be very easy if you can already do your hip movement by yourself. Here, the most important thing is that we have connection, like with our core. We are connected here. The leaders are rotated a little bit that way so that we are not facing her this way. This way there's space between us, the middle of her abdomen with the diagonal side of mine, okay? The other thing, we are in a very close position. So the right leg of the leader, the right hand, sorry, goes to the lower back. And this one here on the shoulder on the other side. So we are blocking completely the upper body. So now the upper body will not move at all. We are only moving our hips. Now we bring, when we go and start the sensual basic on the spot, our hips a little bit to the back. Because if we try to do the hip movement on the front, for her it's going to feel like I'm leading something else, and she will try to keep the connection with my hip. If I'm here and I go like this, she will understand that and she will not have the freedom to do the sensual basic. So we create space in the hips, but not in our abdomen. And from here we start in 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6. One more time in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So let's turn around, first from this point of view and then from the other one. We go in 7, 8, 1, 2, up, 5, 6, up, 1, 2, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you see, we are not moving our upper body, so do not make the mistake of being here and going 1, 2, 3. Too much leading here. It's a focus of 100% of the hips. From this point of view, let's go in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Make sure that your stand is not too big, because this will not look very beautiful if you do your sensual basic like this. You don't want to grab the leader's leg like this, but you want to make sure that your legs are a little bit more closed and your hip looks bigger than your stand, okay?
If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also let us know down below what did you think. Was it easy for you or maybe it's too difficult? And also make sure to check out these other videos that you're gonna love. And if you want to learn to dance privately and more intensely with us, make sure to check out our online program, the first link in the description. See you there.